Topic is rounding off to nearest tens. Today we have to do rounding of the numbers. Now, first understand there are some numbers which are strong. So the strong numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. They push the number to the next number, that is increasing by 10. Now next is weak number. Weak number are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. By these numbers there is no change. But when these numbers are there, it increases the number. So they are the strong numbers. How to solve this? Now, whenever we are doing nearest tens, first we will see the tens place there is 2. So on the next number, that is on the right side, we will see on the ones place when this is 6. 6 is greater than 5. So that means it's a strong number. So it has the ability to push the number. So which number? Add number which is at the tens place. Here it will add 1. So the answer will be 4, 3 in the place of 2. This will be 3. And the number which we are encircling, that will be 0 because we have to round out to tens place. So at the ones place there will be 0. This method, or you can use this also, 4, 3, 2, 6. Now the number is 26. Now you have to tell me it's near to 20 or 30. 26 is near to 20 or 30. It's near to 30 because it's more than 25. So it's 26. So it's more than this. So it will be 30 will be the answer. So the answer will be 4330. And one thing you have to remember, like when the number are 0 to 4, so that means they are less than 5. And when the number is 5 is equal to 5, or any number like 6 to 9, they are greater than 5. So whenever we are doing these numbers, we are checking the numbers, then we have to do +1. Or when it is 0 to 4, we don't change the number, but whenever we are doing tens place, we will write 0. If we are doing 100 place, then there will be 00. And when we are doing 1000, there will be 000. And when there is 5, then also +1. Is rounding off to nearest 100. Now the question is 4526. So nearest 100, that means this is at 100 place, this is tens and this is ones. So now 526, what we will do? 526, it's near to 500 or 600? Tell me, students. It's 526. So it is near to 500. Now how to solve? 4, 5, 2, 6. This is ones, tens, 100. Now whenever we are doing rounding off to 100, we have to check the place at the tens place. So 2 is less than 5. So we will not jump, we will not add anything. So it will be same number, 4, 5. But in the place of ones and tens, there will be 0 because we are rounding off to 100. So there will be 00. We got the answer. Now the next question, 4571. In the same way, this is 100. So now check it. 571 near to 500 or 600? Yes, it is near to 600. How to do? 4, 5, 7, 1. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now for 100, we have to check the tens place. 7 is greater than 5. So it's a strong number. It has the ability to push one number. So it's strong. So at the 100 place, we will add 1. So this will be 4, 5 plus 1, 6 and 00. This is the answer. Next question is rounding off to nearest 1000. You have understood how to solve nearest 10 and 100. Now the nearest 100. Whenever we are doing nearest 1000, remember one thing, that the 3 digit will be 0 at the last. So now start solving. First we have to see the thousand place. This is ones, tens, hundred, and this is thousand. So at the thousand place there is 4. Now is it near to 4000 or 5000? 4863. It's near to 5000. Now how to solve? 24863. Now whenever we have to round off to 1000 place, we will check which number? Right place, that is 100 place. 8 is greater than 5. Okay, so 8 has the ability to push one number, so here it will be plus 1. So this is 25, and these 3 digit will be 0 because we are doing rounding off to 1000, so there will be 3 zeros. Now coming to the next one. Now the next question, that is 15,226. Now we are doing rounding up to 1000, so we will check these 4 place. So it's near to 5000 or 6000? Tell me students. 5226. It's near to 5000 or 6000? किसके ज़्यादा पास है? That we have to tell. So it's near to 5000. Now how to solve? 15226. Now whenever we are doing 1000, we have to check which place? 100 place. So now 2 is less than 5, so there will be no addition. So we will write these numbers as it is 15, and these 3 will be 0. 15,000. We got the answer.